If you ever wanted to transform your ideas into precise technical drawings or realistic 3D models, please listen carefully for a moment. Hi, I'm Mohammed Sabeer, a CAD trainer and consultant with more than 30 years of experience. I'm offering live hands-on AutoCAD training for beginners, intermediate users, and professionals to sharpen their skills. Whether you are starting from scratch or looking to master advanced tools, this program will help you step by step. You will learn 2D drafting used in real-world projects, create detailed 3D models, explore rendering and visualization with the power of AI, even dive into AutoLISP programming to automate your workflow. This is not just theory. You will work on practical projects that reflect industry standards so that you can confidently apply what you learn right away. Join me and take your design skill to the next level. Let's build, design, and create together. Please click on the link at the description to join the WhatsApp group. I'll see you there. Thank you.